Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video for you guys. I am teaming up with Jennifer from Perpetual Mommy to bring you guys two cool packing videos. So I've known Jennifer from Perpetual Mommy for almost 4 years now, 100% online. We have been pink ladies for a very long time and she is just super sweet and she has great content over on her channel. So I'm going to link her channel right up here in the corner and you guys can go check her out after this video is over and you can see her video. I'm going to pack up the Jujubee Mini Bee packed with the Bee Dapper, and so is she, so you guys get to see two different ways of how to pack up the Mini Bee with the Bee Dapper. And we will be showing you the brand new Hello Rainbow from Jujubee and Hello Kitty, and I have to say this print is just super duper cute. Normally vibrant colors I tend to stay away from. You guys know I love my pastels, but the way they did this print with the shades of the colors that they used doesn't seem like super bright to me. I actually really love it and I think it's so adorable. Also, this print is coming out tomorrow, September 17th, and I would love if you guys would shop Jujubee with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and I would love if you would shop through there. So let's get a nice up close look at this super cute bag. So here is a very up close look at the front flap on the Mini Bee. You have Jujubee's new script logo here, and then you have the Hello Kitty head and bow. I'll also show you guys that new hardware that they added on. Here's the hardware. So on the very front you have the enamel, and then on the back you have like the onyx hardware. So it's really pretty, and I especially love the little jewel that they throw on there. So it's really cute. And you have these gorgeous blue zippers that match the bag. So I'm just gonna show you guys around the Mini Bee, and then we will jump onto the inside for the packing portion. So as I mentioned, the Mini Bee has a front flap pocket here with a magnetic snap closure. And you have a nice deep pocket here. You can keep your phone in there, small set pieces and things like that. You can actually even fit a medium set piece down in there if you really, really wanted to. You do have a top grab handle up here. It is not padded or anything. I'd say it's just double the fabric on the outside of the bag and then they stitch it. And then on the sides of the bag, you have bottle pockets, one on each side. That one and that one. And then on the very back of the bag, you have these super cute padded straps with the Hello Kitty print, and then this is a pretty adjustable bag. I've seen some fairly tall people wear this bag and it still looks great. I'm 5'2", so I can get away with wearing this very easily. And this particular style works really, really great for kindergarten and preschool, so I highly suggest it for those two age groups. My kids have both used a Mini Bee for both of those. And my son Jensen's actually using his blue steel one this year for kindergarten, so you guys probably already know that if you follow me on Instagram. So let's jump onto the packing portion. In the very front flap pocket here, I just have my cell phone. I have an iPhone 8 Plus down there. Fits really great up and down. And as you guys can see, you have that gorgeous yellow lining, and I will show you that a little bit closer up and better when we jump to the inside of the bag, which is gonna be just a second because I don't have anything in my side pockets and nothing on the back. So let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. Okay, let's go on inside. The Mini Bee has two zipper pulls here that go all the way down to the sides of the bag. But it does have gussets, so things don't just completely fall out of your bag, which is great. I'm gonna do a little close up on this fabric real quick so you guys can see the cute lining that they did. So this is the lining on this bag. It is a sunshine yellow, and then you have like a sunset orange that's super pale, and you have a little Hello Kitty here and there and some bows. It's really, really cute. So this is how I have the inside of the bag packed up. I have a water bottle over here. This is a Swell bottle, and I do a lot of times put this in the outside pockets, but I like the way the bag looks better when there's nothing in the pockets, so I tend to kind of keep it inside sometimes. So there's a 9-ounce Swell bottle with some water in it. Next to that, I have my Hello Rainbow large set piece, and this is a mommy bag. So this is all the things I need for me that I wanted to keep separate from all of my 2-year-old's things, so I can just grab this out without messing up anything else in the bag. So I have my planner in here. This is a personal sized happy planner. It's really great down in the large set piece, so that's what I have in there. And then I also have my wallet. This is an NCO wallet. The yellow is just super cute with this bag, so I had to include that. And then I have a Kind's bar down in there. It's like one of my favorite snacks for myself. And the last thing in here is my small set piece in Hello Rainbow. And I know a lot of you guys wanted to see my small set piece in this print, and it is so cute. Absolutely adorable. I love this print. It's really pretty. So in here, I just have things for myself. So lip gloss, chapstick, hand cream, hairbrush, and a mirror down in there. Next to this, I have some snacks for my son. This is in the Black Magic print, and for some reason, I thought Black Magic actually looks really cute with Hello Rainbow. If you guys like this combo too, let me know down in the comments. So I have some cheese crackers in there for my son, a fruit pouch down in there, a granola bar, and some juice. I really like using medium set pieces for snacks. It's just the right size. So the last thing I have to go through in here is the Dapper, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. But as you guys can see, it's like just the perfect size to be in the mini B, and then you also have some room on top. Hopefully you guys can see. You have plenty of room on top there to put more stuff. You could probably lay flat another large set piece if you wanted to. The mini B it's just such a great bag. It holds a lot more than you think it could. So yeah, super cute. So here's my Dapper. The Dapper has a grab handle on top. You can use these for all kinds of things. I have one in my bathroom that I use for all of my makeup, and it's been awesome. I love it. But you can also use it as a big pencil case. You can hold paintbrushes and art supplies. You can use it as a diaper bag, which is what I have in here, is diapers and wipes and things. So let's show you guys what I have. So I actually have a whole medium set piece down in there. This has a change of clothes for my son. So I like being able to keep everything all in one. So change of clothes, diapers and wipes and things down in there as well. So here's my medium set piece. So I have some pants rolled up, a shirt, and some socks there. This is what the rest of the bag looks like. As you guys can see, even with 2 diapers, a pack of wipes, and my baggie dispenser, I still had a lot of room down in there. So perfect amount of space to hold that medium set piece. And that is all that I have in this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. I would love to hear what you guys have on your shopping list for this super cute print. This, don't forget, is coming out tomorrow on September 17th, and I will once again leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys, and you can shop through there. And don't forget to check out Perpetual Mommy's video as well, and I will link that down in the description too. Thanks for watching!